Hey everyone, I wanted to showcase a simple game project I worked on using the Game Engineer platform. When I first started, I wanted to try and make an RTS game of some sort, but as you can see, the first version ended up closer to Galaga. You can see that the goal is to defend against objects which fall from the top of the screen, and you do so using these three turrets. The first iteration had some issues. Apart from looking uninteresting, you as the player couldn't do anything except place turrets, which is frustrating sometimes. Additionally, there's no challenge beyond the initial wave. So I decided to add some enemies which spawn additional threats, which you can see here, as well as allowing the player to shoot and destroy any object they physically run into. So here's the updated version of the game. Right off the bat, you can see it looks a lot nicer because I added a background. At the bottom of the screen, I also included information for keybinds and the purpose of each turret to help the player. At the top of the screen, we can see the dino and the alien moving side to side. Right now, anytime they are over the player, they spawn a bird or a taffy. A couple other notable changes is that the birds now shoot at the player when within range. When the player is hit for the first time, they turn blue for a couple seconds, and while in that state, getting hit again will result in a loss. Also, the win condition has changed. Instead of just clearing the screen, the player needs to kill the alien and the dino at the top of the screen. There are still a lot of improvements I could make here. Some ideas I have is to change the geometric shapes into animals, so we have woodland creatures fighting the alien threat or something like that. Another idea is to work off a timer-based system to have multiple waves instead of one, but regardless, that's all for now.